bridge. And also, I found this shell that's the same old as the dinosaur bone. It was on the same time as the dinosaurs were.
Where are we today?
Today we are the lake.
Lake of the Pine?
Yes.
Who else is here today?
Daddy and Sam and Sparkle.
Say hi, Sparkle.
Now today we're going to go on the bridge.
Which bridge?
The whole family. Let's go to the bridge, whole family.
Kids running around. Puppy running around. Baby running around. This is a beautiful lake somewhere in the northeast of Texas. We're walking around and we can see Sophie crossing the bridge. And here we see Vicky crossing the bridge. Hey, little dog.
Mommy, let's go. This feels like a boat. Mommy, Daddy, can you go on the bridge?
Say bye-bye.